Hey YouTube, welcome everyone to my channel. We are on fall vibes. Look at these nails, you guys. These are beautiful. I created and designed this beautiful look for you guys to enjoy. We're gonna get into this video so you guys could see how we did these. We definitely used the XX long. This is the longest I've ever worn. It is crazy. I give you guys props, those that wear them this long. I mean, it takes talent. Not only to make them, the art of it, but to wear them. I'm on my third day, I'm gonna say. So far, I haven't broken a nail. Definitely, I have gotten them caught on the door, and oh my god, it hurts so bad. So I have to be very mindful that these nails are super long, and I do not want to break a nail. They are so beautiful. If you guys like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's get into the video, you guys. Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? So here we have these big long nails, XX long, you guys. They are so long. Look at this. They came out so beautiful. So we're going to get started with the look. We're going to use some leaves, as you can see, on my nail design that I did. So I'm going to go ahead and get the nails, put them on, and we're going to get started. I will just be filing just a little around the nail. I've already kind of prepped the nail. I did leave a little bit of acrylic so that I'm able to do my next set when I'm done with this one. We're going to use some Mia Secret clear acrylic that I have here. So you all know that I'm always doing my nails like every 3 days for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and patch them up a little. They're really beat up, you guys, like really beat up. But I'm going to patch them up a little and we'll get started with filling up the nails. I did have a bit of an issue with the brush again. And that's because, of course, I didn't clean the brush right. I had to go to the store and get some acetone, clean the brushes out. So we'll see if I'll be having the same problem because the acrylic kind of started drying up a little too much, like too fast. And then as I was picking up some of the beads, like the liquid just wasn't going through the acrylic powder. So it was kind of dry. And I believe, you know, based on what I've done my research and what I've learned so far, is that my acrylic brush, it's like really dirty, you guys. I don't clean them out as much as I should. One of the nail techs that I follow, which I should have her name, I'm gonna look up her name. Okay, so her nail, it's Nail Career Education, her channel, and it's Susie. I love her. She definitely informs you of a lot of things. She's on YouTube. So she usually cleans her brushes with acetone. I thought this whole time that you're supposed to buy some kind of special liquid, I guess, to clean out your brushes. She says she's been doing it for 30 years. Hey, I love the girl. So guess what? I'm going to go with what she says. So I went out, bought some acetone, cleaned out my brushes. I left them soaking in acetone for about 5 to 10 minutes. And I was able to clean them out. So we'll see with the next nail set that I'm going to do. We're going to see how well the brushes are going to work. Because right here, some of the product that I was picking up with my brush, and even though that I had enough liquid on the brush, it was still dry. So that was not good for me. But, you know, as you guys all know me, I always love a challenge. I kept going. That didn't stop me. So you are going to be able to see a few little white spots, and that's because of that. That's why that was happening, because my brush was acting up, and I haven't given up on my brush. I love my brush so much, and even though I have now 3 new brushes, I'm still using this one because this brush and we have such a bond. But anyways, here are the nails. I'm going to start filing them down. And I am going to make this video very short for you guys. So you guys get all the information that you need, like as far as I'm filing the steps to it. So it's no big deal. We're going to file them down. I did take a while because they are super long, you guys. And I didn't want any bumps. I didn't want any nails crooked. So I tried my best. These nails were super long. So here we have the nail polish. And they are called, so they're called Modelone, Modelone. So these are the gel polishes, and from the look I did, as you guys can see, we're going to be using them. They are so beautiful, these colors, you guys. Beautiful. They sell these on Amazon, and I believe I got them for about $10, and it comes with all these colors, it comes with like 6 of them, you guys, and they are gorgeous colors. I am in love with these colors. Definitely, every single one of them represents the fall look. Definitely, for me. To me, fall is leaves. It's that orangey color that represents the pumpkin, the browns, all those colors. To me, it just definitely gives you that vibe of the fall, and I love that. Comes with these glittery, beautiful polish, which is only one of them that comes in here. And right here, you guys can see the design that I'm doing. I'm gonna use some of that tape, and it's the what is it? Oh gosh, sorry you guys. It's the gold one. Yeah, I know, I make a lot of mistakes, you guys. So that's the gold tape that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use a piece of it for this design, for this specific nail, which I believe is a ring nail. We're gonna use some of these leaves. I had a hard time, so I had my daughter help me out. I kept pulling these off, and I kept like yanking them off, like ripping them in half. Now with these polishes, just so you guys know, they have numbers on them. So the ones we used was, well, it's not gonna really make sense to you guys unless you buy the pack, which is the fall. I believe they call it the fall. Gel nail polish, Modelone. And these are fall colors, you guys. And they have numbers on them. So 1026 was this one that we used. Beautiful color. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and create my design. I'm going to go ahead and put some of these leaves. I'm going to go ahead and do some beautiful foils. I put a little green little leaf here. My daughter was helping me out. She was nice enough to help me out. I definitely had a hard time because these nails are so long, you guys. They are long. This is the first time I feel that I've put long nails like this, and they're so like curved, and my goodness, they're long. This one is another beautiful glittery color, you guys. I love this color. So this color, the number is 0296. That is the one we're using right now. It is beautiful. The way it shines, it sparkles when you're out in the sunlight. Oh my goodness, you guys. It makes you feel so fabulous, I promise. And then we have some more of the color that looks like a pumpkin. I love this color, you guys. It is beautiful. Right here, we're gonna go ahead and use some of the foils that I have that I just showed you guys. Those are beautiful. Those look like leaves by themselves, if you cut them right, obviously. But in this case, for this design, I only got a few little pieces at a time, as you guys can see. And it looks beautiful. This is really, really cute, you guys. So far, our design is looking cute. So I'll go ahead and let you guys watch the rest. You guys drop the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. This is a beautiful fall design that I came up with after watching, of course, like over 100 videos. Yes, so many videos on YouTube, you guys. There are so many amazing nail techs out there. I consider myself not so much a nail tech. I consider myself a nail designer. I love to design each and every nail differently, or it depends what I'm feeling that day. Whatever I'm feeling that day, that's what I go with, whatever vibe. And I definitely have a lot of fun doing this. This is so much fun, you guys. I really do hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone. And that way you can get more upcoming videos that are coming up. We have Halloween just around the corner, so we'll be doing some videos for Halloween, of course. Right here, we're going to go ahead and do the rhinestones, and I'm using some Kiara Sky. I'm also using this little box that I got with these little gold, I wouldn't say charms, or can I say charms? They have like the little round little circle, and then you know, you put it on the nail, and then in the middle part you can put like one of those little Kiara Sky rhinestones, and it looks so pretty. We have some of the gold ones that you guys can see here. So as you can see, those are it. They're really cute. So just trying to figure out which ones to use. So I'll go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of the video. Let me know what you guys think. So this is the finished product, you guys. Look at how beautiful these came out. I do hope you guys like the look. I love them. I definitely got a lot of nice compliment and feedback. If you guys do like, don't forget, you guys, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you could get some more notifications of new videos coming up, you guys. Don't forget your little cuticle oil. I ordered these. It was like 6 of them on Amazon for like $6 or $7. Beautiful, you guys. Have a great one. See you on my next video, everyone. Take care.